Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. A minus B multiplied by A plus B equals to A squared minus B squared. So this one that is about A, this one that is about B, to create about A squared minus B squared, because I want to cancel about the square root. So we need to have the power 2 in here. So we need to multiply by A plus B on numerator and denominator. So A minus B multiplied by A plus B, we have this one. And you got like this. So 2x squared minus 2x squared. So you got 1 minus x. Next, we divide by x on numerator and denominator. Next, 1 divided by x, x divided by x, you got like this. X divided by x, we have number 1. Next, about x will go inside the square root, similar for the second one. So that should be like this. So x squared divided by x squared, number 1 divided by x squared, similar for this one in here. Next, when x approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. Similar for this one and this one. Now, we need to simplify, and we have negative number 1 over number 2 with the square root of number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.